I'm going to quickly show you how to power up the W1855 change and test out SIM card. There are two ports, a PoE port and the number one port. In the PoE port, you're going to run down to the out on your PoE injector. Get ready to plug it in. Don't plug it in yet. Take a coin, key, whatever you got around. Open this up. You want to make sure you leave it powered off anytime you do this. If this thing's powered on, you want to make sure all this is already done. All this should be done while it's powered off. You have it set up and ready to power and plug in, but leave it powered off until you finish this part. If you're switching them out, putting one in first time, it doesn't matter. Powered off when you're doing this, it will cause it to reset. You gotta push that in. Be gentle. I've seen somebody mess one of these up big time. Had to pull the card out with tweezers. Gently kind of slide that forward. So you can have it. Now, grab another SIM card. That Verizon. And we're going to go with slot number 1. So that bottom one. And go in like that. And you just push it until you get a nice little snap and it'll lock into place. This has a magnet in it. This thing knows when the door is on and when it's off. Before you power back on, put this door back on here. Come on. This is the boot up right here. These will flash green a few times and then they'll go dark. And this will turn red. Remember to make sure that this is installed, your SIM card's already in there, and that this door is closed. Oh, as you can see there, flashed red. The reason it flashed red is the door wasn't closed enough for it to sense that magnet. So make sure you get on there just enough, you know, it can sense the magnet, but you don't have to mess with your keys or coin or whatever to get that door off every time you want to switch it out. When it goes blue like that, you should be connected to NetCloud Manager. Be able to go ahead and log in, run your speed test, check everything, all that fun stuff. If you need to switch to another SIM card, process in reverse, and then go ahead and just unplug it. Now the upgrade's already been complete, so you don't have to worry about in the document it talking about leaving it on for over an hour and all that fun stuff. That's already been done. Once it's dark, you go ahead and take this off. Pop out your SIM. And move on to your next one. SIM in, door on, power on. Power off, door off, SIM out. SIM in, door on, power on. These will flash green. This will go red. If it flashes red, the door's not on enough. Once it goes blue, you connect it to the NetCloud Manager.